Hello everyone and welcome to this session. This is Sweta Roy, your English Maths teacher at Vedantu, and today I have come up with a very important topic, 10 tips to start your term 1 preparation. I'm sure you were eagerly waiting for this kind of session where you get a complete strategy and a few tips to start off to kickstart your term 1 preparation. So that's what I'm going to provide you guys. 10 very important tips, 10 hacks you could say to start your term 1 preparation. So are you guys excited to have the session today? So let me see your excitement in the chat. Give me a quick high five in the chat and let me know how many of you are super excited. Let me see the Josh people. Okay, so moving ahead, those of you who do not know me, I am your English master teacher Sweta Roy, and I have pursued my masters in English and B.Ed with an year of teaching experience. I have also qualified CTET and mentored more than 20,000 students both online and offline. And my motto is to unleash the power within you people. All of you are powerful, and with literature, with language, you can definitely you have the opportunity to create, ideate, and innovate. So yes, that power is unleashed with English, with literature, and with language. So all of you are empowered. Please put it down in the chat and we will begin our session. But before that, make sure you have done all these things. What is that? First, like, next, subscribe, and don't forget to also share the video amongst your friends so that you along with your friends can kickstart your term 1 preparation with these 10 amazing tips, guys. Okay, so are you ready to start off with the tips, the strategy? Yes. So, though every student has unique learning style and capabilities, still there is a common approach. All of you have your own learning style. All of you are unique. Everybody has a different style of learning, but few things can work collectively, right? Few things are common that each one of you can follow. Yes or no, people, right? So let us look at those few common tips which are going to help each one of you out, although you have different and unique style of learning. Okay, so it is obviously we all understand that we are, nowadays the stress level has increased, but if you have an effective strategy to prepare, then nothing can stop you. So the most important thing is the systematic approach. And how would you get that systematic approach? Only and only if you prepare an effective strategy. So let's do that in today's session so that nobody can stop us from scoring 100% marks in our term 1. Because you see, even in English, you can now score 100% marks because you have objectives, right? Objective type questions, okay? In first term. So yes, people, now scoring 100% marks in English is no more a dream for you people. Yes. So let us begin. Be it CBSE or ICSE, all of you can score 100% marks in English in term 1. So are you super excited to go into the strategy which will help you to do that? Yes? Okay, so let's begin, people. First, before beginning, let me see the Josh in the chat. Let me see a quick thumbs up in the chat, and let me see how much you are excited for this session. Okay? So let's get started. The first and very important tip is making a timetable, and not just making and keeping it beside you and not following it. Making the timetable and following it rigorously, consistently. And this timetable should be prepared by you. Nobody can prepare a timetable for you. Please note that. Okay, we can give ideas, but finally the final draft, the final timetable should be definitely prepared by you according to your convenience, according to your unique learning style. Okay, and it should be followed rigorously. And of course, when you are learning, guys, make a habit of writing also. Okay, jotting down notes. This will be helpful more in the subjective papers, because see, I know you have objective in term 1, but what about your internal examination? They are subjectives. right? They are subjective type questions you have in your internal exam. So you need to prepare notes for cracking those internal exam, because there you have to, and for especially English, guys, for English, stress is definitely there in expression. Okay. So therefore, you have to prepare notes. You have to frame your own answers. So while learning also, whenever you are understanding any session, if possible, whenever tell you to note this, you can, jot it down. You have your text in front of you and jot down whatever is important beside the text. Okay, so that is how you take notes while learning. Prioritizing the subject that you find strenuous. So some subjects you might find too heavy, so prioritize them. Don't think that it's too heavy, let me not do it right now. Don't put them for later. Okay, please prioritize the strenuous subjects. Okay, and then more, very 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 important is to devote time for self study. I know you have very limited time, you have so many sessions to attend, you have online classes going on, but please guys, make time for self study, which is very very important. You do your sessions, do your online classes, do everything, but please don't forget to have sufficient time, devote sufficient time for self-studying and preparing your own notes and your own, especially for English, your own created answers. Okay? Now, solving sample paper and previous year question paper. Very, very important, guys, because practice is going to make you perfect. Okay? Understanding the session, coming into the session, understanding the chapters. If I speak about English, understanding the chapters deeply, okay, is very important, and that can only happen if you attend the session. But after the session, what about the practice questions? So please make sure that you have solved the sample papers, previous year question papers, and other types of questions which we provide in the session for your practice. That is very, very important. Okay. So practice is the only thing that is going to make your learning better and perfect, and you are going to progress. All right. So it's going to give you confidence, right? Very, very important. So as I talk about practice, we all do that in our sessions, in our wave platform. We have a systematic approach. We have assignments, we have questions related to the current changes, which are the current pattern of the syllabus, okay, which is followed by CBSE according to the recent sample paper that has been released by CBSE. So guys, if you want to score 100% marks, 100% knowledge, then definitely make sure that you have got yourselves enrolled in our sessions. Vedantu Improvement Promise is something which we are making, guys. That is, we are committing that you will definitely improve on your grades once you enroll yourselves in the sessions. That is a guarantee, guys, because we have unlimited live classes with fun and high level quiz questions. So no more waiting for mentee sessions. Each question is going to have, each session is going to have high level quiz questions, and you can compete with the students throughout the world. And even when you are watching the replays, there will be live quizzes, guys. There will be live quizzes. You will be able to participate in the quizzes, even in the replays. Isn't that amazing? Plus, the leaderboard will be showcasing your overall class rank, your answering speed, everything. So that is also giving you everyday practice. It's going to be super helpful for you people. Okay. Plus, you can download all the notes. So I was talking about making notes. Here you have ready-made notes which you can download. Isn't that amazing? And isn't that so very helpful? Plus, you can have your doubts solved then and there. I think this is the major problem that you mostly have, right? Solving your doubts. So please look at this. This is a very important thing, that all your doubts are solved then and there in the class. Plus, as I told you, practice makes you perfect. So that is why we have tests and assignments, so that your confidence is boosted up, right? And you have ample chance of practicing. Okay. So you have to you can take part, you can enroll yourselves in the micro courses which are absolutely free. Crash courses are absolutely free, right? So everything in less price. You just need to visit the link, use the coupon code SWRE Pro, and this is going to give a complete 10% discount, guys. So isn't that an amazing thing, people? So you can have these three plans. Okay, you can choose your own plan. Okay, live interactive classes, test series, assignments, notes, doubt solving, and personal mentor. So for classic, there is a special feature of doubt solving app. Isn't that amazing, guys? Apart from all the amazing features, you have a doubt solving on mobile app as well. And for Plus, you have a personal mentor as well, apart from all the features. Isn't that super, super, super amazing? You can note the price detail as well. They are very cost friendly, people, and all the micro courses are for free, and that too with a guarantee of your improvement. Okay, so just you need to visit the link and you need to use the coupon code SWRE Pro, and you can avail a complete 10% discount. Coming to the next tip, guys, you need to have a break. Yes, guys. So avoid studying for long hours continuously. Take breaks in regular intervals, every 50 to 60 minutes. Okay, so break is very important, because once you reach the saturation point, you will see, even if you are studying, even if you are trying to focus, you lose your focus. You don't things don't go inside your head, because our brain also has a capacity, right? So if you go beyond that capacity, your brain fails to take in materials, right? So please make sure that you relax your brain, listen to music, take a break, go outside. I mean, go outside as in go in the open, take the breathe the fresh air. You can spend your time in the lap of nature, right? Rejuvenate yourself and then come back. Refreshment is very, very important, guys. So please make sure that you are refreshing yourselves, taking a break in between your long study duration. Okay, and very important is to keep yourself healthy, right? Health is wealth. If you fall sick, you won't be able to cover your syllabus. Please make sure that you are healthy enough, right? Maintain your health. And when you are studying, avoid all kinds of distractions. Switch off your notifications. No surfing your internet or texting or watching television. So please avoid these kind of distraction. The most important distraction is notifications on mobile phone, right? Sometimes you do need your mobile phones for studying as well. So make sure, if you are doing that, you are switching off your notification, because that becomes very distracting, people. Okay, and try having a weekly revision and a written test. So revision, practice, these are very, very important to understand whether you have grasped the content. Okay, whether you are able to practice questions, solve questions based on the concept that has been taught in the class. And of course, you have to have a test of everything, whatever you have studied during the weekdays. Okay, so as I told you that Vedantu has provision for all of these, so you do not have to worry about either your revision or your written test. We have everything then there. Okay, so think about it, guys. And the final and the 10th point is, keep yourselves calm, positive, and confident. Don't worry, don't take pressure, don't take burden. Enjoy your learning. That is why we have, samajh aayega to maza aayega. So that fun should be there, that interest should be there in your subject. You should not take any of your subject as a burden, as a pressure. Enjoy your learning, be positive, be confident. If you enjoy your learning, guys, success will automatically follow. Don't think about the result right at the very onset. Just enjoy the process of learning. Learn, read, write, and definitely you will be able to crack all your exams. Okay, so all the best, people. I'm sure each one of you are going to rock in your first term. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Before you go, don't forget to visit the link, and you can see over here we have a reduced price, right? So now you can buy, you can get yourselves enrolled into the light, the light course only at this price. So you have a heavy discount, guys. I think this is the time when you should. So see over here, this is the price. This is the final price after applying the coupon code. You get a 10% discount, right? So I don't think you should let go of this amazing opportunity. And for Classic also, you can see this is the final price. Okay, so this is the final price, guys, for light and for Classic. And Classic also has doubt solving on mobile app. So don't forget to use the coupon code SWRE Pro. Applying that coupon code will give you a complete 10% discount. Okay? So that is also coming with a guarantee, guys, that your grades would definitely improve. So we ensure and assure your progress in the long-term batches, guys. So if you don't progress, we will be returning your course fee. Only we want minimum of 75% attendance and 75% of completed tests. And that is the guarantee that we take. Please look at the batch starting date, guys. For grade 10 for term 1 and JE Foundation, look at grade 9th and grade 10 batch starting date. Take a screenshot so that you do not miss out on any of these. And don't forget the coupon code, guys, SWRE Pro. That's the coupon code. Okay, so you can reach out to me in this particular email ID, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. We would be coming up with one after another amazing sessions for you people, right? So stay tuned, people. Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.